Good morning, friends. It's me, Miss Nicole. We are in a brand new month, a brand new week, which means we have lots of new things we're going to talk about. So let's get started. Let's start off with our days of the week. Okay, first we're going to count how many days do we have in a week. And remember, we're going to start at the top. Okay, here's my top. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 7 days in a week. 7. All right, now let's sing our song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, there is our days of the week. And today, well, yesterday was Tuesday. There's my star. Yesterday was Tuesday. So today is, we're going to go down. Wednesday. Wednesday. I'm going to move my star. Today is Wednesday. All right. All right, we did our days. Now let's talk about our months. We are in a brand new month. We said bye-bye October. And now we are saying hello to November. Remember we talked about the turkey? November. The month is November. And how do we find November? It's the one that begins with the N sound. November. And it also has a turkey next to it. Okay. First, let's count months of the year, and then we'll sing our song. Remember, when we are counting on our posters, we are going to start at the top. Okay? So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That's right. We have 12 months in the whole year. Now, which number is bigger? Is it 7? Or 12? Which number is bigger? 12. That's right. So 12 is a bigger number. So we have more months than we have in days of the week. Okay. All right. Let's sing our song. Here we go. We're going to start at the top, the first month. Here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months. 12 months in a year. One more time. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months. 12 months in a year. All right, we have 12 months and we are all the way at the bottom in November. There's our turkey. What does our turkey say? Gobble, gobble. All right. Okay, now let's talk about our seasons. Our seasons. Who remembers how many seasons do we have? How many seasons do we have in the year? That's right, we have 4. 4 seasons in the year. 4. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're still here. We are in the season of fall. The season is fall. And we have 4 seasons. Okay, let's read a little story about fall. About our season of fall. A season of sight words. There's fall. And what's he doing? Is he riding a bike? Yes, he's riding a bike. So we're going to read our book and we're going to look at, you're going to notice we're going to see 2 sight words, go and he. Okay. He will go far. He will go here. Billy will go fast. He will go there. And he will go all around the block. He needs a break. Look at him laying down. He needs a break. The end. All right. Okay, so we are in a new week, which means we have a new letter. Yay! And this week our letter is the letter... Oh, you see that letter up there? Do you see it on top of my head? What letter is that? Is that the letter G? Yes, that is the letter G way at the top. Can you point to the top? There it is. All right. We have lots of words that start with our letter G. But before we go over them, let's practice. What sound does the letter G make? That's right. G makes that g, g, g sound. If you touch right here on your throat, when you go g, you can feel it. You could feel it. G, g, g. G is for g, guitar, g, gum, g, gift, goat, and gorilla. G makes that g, g, g sound. All right, and look, we have 2 G's. 1, 2. Can you point to the big uppercase G? The big G. Where is the big G? That's right. Here is the uppercase big G. So, can you point now to the small G? Small G. There it is. Good job. Small, also known as lowercase. And both of them make the g, g sound. G. G is our letter of the week. Here's our letter G. And what is this? A goat. A goat. A goat got in my garden. Uh-oh. It gobbled all day long. G, g, g. Going, going, gone. That silly goat. All right. Okay. This month means that we are also learning a new shape. Every month we focus on one shape. And this month we are focusing on the shape. Let me draw it. It has 4 sides. And it starts with the letter S. Can you think? Let's put our thinking caps on. What shape starts with the letter S and has 4 sides? Is it a triangle, you think? No. What about a square? Yeah. Yes. Our shape this month is a square. And a square has 4 sides. And they're all the same length. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a square. Square. All right. Last month we focused on a rectangle, but we're saying bye-bye rectangle, and we're going to say hello to our square. Okay. All right, I'm going to ask a question, okay? Can you point to the square? Where's the square? Yeah, here's our square, and this square is yellow. This is a circle. This is a circle. All right, let's try it again. Can you point to the square? Where's the square? Yes, here's our square. This is a rectangle. They almost look the same, but they're not because the square has 4 sides that are all the same. Square. Okay. We also have 2 colors that we are focusing on this month. Our colors this month that we are going to focus on are orange, and our other color is green. So this month we are going to focus on green and orange. Okay. Can you point to the green color? Where's the green color? Here it is. All right, now where is orange? Can you point to the orange color? Good job. So we have orange and green. And look, green makes a g sound, which means it starts with our letter of the week, which is the letter G. Green starts with our letter G because it makes a g sound. Green. Awesome. All right, friends. Okay, so now we're going to read a story. And today's story, in case you missed it yesterday, is called Good Night Monkey? No. Gorilla. Good night, gorilla. And see, there's 2 of our G words. Good and gorilla. And what is the gorilla saying? He's saying, shh, quiet. Okay, let's read the story. Good night, gorilla. Here we go. Oh, let me ask a question. Where does the gorilla live? Does he live in our house or does he live at the zoo? Yes, he lives at the zoo. Remember we talked about this last month? Gorillas can't be our house pet. No, they're too big. They have to live at the zoo. Okay, so here he is at the zoo. There's the zookeeper, and he says, "Good night, gorilla." Uh-oh, but what's the gorilla doing? He's reaching for his keys. Uh-oh, what's gonna happen? Oh, he escaped. Oh no. So now he is following the zookeeper. And he says, "Good night, elephant." Uh-oh, the gorilla let out the elephant, and now he's going to let out the lion. And the zookeeper says, "Good night, lion." And now the zookeeper says, "Good night, hyena." "Good night, giraffe." And he says, "Good night, armadillo." Uh-oh. All of the animals are escaping the zoo and they're going to his house. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And now they're going into his house, where are they going? They're going into his bedroom. Oh my goodness, they're going to sleep with the zookeeper in his room. Is that a good idea? Let's see. And then she says, "Good night, dear." Look at the monkey. He's in the bed. Or the gorilla, he's in the bed with the zookeeper. When she says good night, she hears a good night, good night, good night, good night, good night, good night, good night. Oh, that's a lot of good nights. So what does she do? Oh, oh no, she looks a little scared. And she says, she looks, oh my goodness. What is going on in her room? And then all of the animals go back to the zoo. She's taking them all back because zoo animals have to sleep at the zoo. They can't sleep with us in our house. And then she says, "Good night, zoo." But the gorilla is still following her. She says, "Good night, dear." He says, "Good night." Where's the gorilla? He's crawling into the bed. "Good night, gorilla." The end. All done. All right, we just read "Good night, gorilla." And both of these words start with our G, our letter of the week. And it makes a G sound. All right, friends, that's it for this week. I will see you guys tomorrow. Yes, okay. So I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye, Felipe. Bye, Amira. Bye, Lily. Bye, Harsha. Bye, George. Bye, Hui. Bye, AJ. Bye, Everly. Oh, bye, Renan. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, and bye, Amira. Bye-bye.